Which Pokemon Cadence everything. A Nature DX box.
Forces of Nature. Pull that bad boy out.
Background.
Get this cool background to 3. Match up with our other background. Oh, all those gold cards.
Where's Mysterious Treasure? The new one?
Oh, look at that new one there.
What is it called?
Mysterious Treasures.
Here's the coin.
Coin. That is Landorus.
Promos.
Yep. Thundurus and Tornadorus. I like those. Cool beaners.
I want to see the cards. I want to see them.
What? They're promos.
I want to see them. I just want to see them.
Yeah. The 2 end guys. And the middle guy's Landorus. He gets the pin.
And then the big.
And the coin.
Who's this guy?
That's Landorus, the coin.
Yeah, Landorus.
Yeah, and he gets the coin and the pin.
Here and here.
And they get the cards.
Point.
I know. Oh yeah, we forgot our new pin collection we got going. There's all of them. So we'll have to add our Thundurus to it. Oh, want to be nice? I guess that's a big one to give away. That's a money code. Hurry up! Who gets it? There you go.
Forbidden Light's last. Okay.
They're all good packs.
Subscribe Crimson. Crimson
except Crimson, yeah. Unless we get something.
Yeah, unless we get something.
Need another Buzzwall. What?
I like the Buzz party. Green.
Who's that? Evolution.
Evolution did not hear. I like the Buzz party.
Here's your code. Give us a reverse. What's it called?
I like the Buzz party.
Who's the reverse? Charizard.
It's not a rare.
What is it?
Wait.
Who's the reverse?
It says it's 4.
Okay, whatever. Who's the reverse? Oh.
Crimson's next.
Storm.
Maybe if we do Crimson last time, it might be good. So I'm
yeah.
gonna
Starmie.
White.
Another Ultra Ball.
It better not be Espeon. We got.
Oh, Rainbow Rare Espeon would be good.
Yeah.
Who is
Hollow.
it? Oh.
That's the Hollow.
Alolan Muck. Parasect.
Guardian is green. Guardian's green.
Alolan
It's just
Muck.
Guardians.
No Tapu-Lele.
No, Tapu-Lele.
We like Tapu-Lele Rainbow Rare. We need one of those. Garbodor.
White, forbidden.
There we go.
I see something. See something.
Something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbuster.
Who we get?
The Necrozma GX.
Nah.
$20.
Wow, there you go, baby. Ultra Necrozma.
Gee.
There we go. That's
White.
a hitter. Nice. Another one. Oh, maybe not a hollow.
But this looks like a hollow.
Ah.
It might be like a gold, because sometimes it looks like a gold.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know. No, just a hollow.
Okay, come on.
Infernape.
Ah, the one I bought, and I got like 10 times afterwards.
Comes in the white.
Oh.
Finally.
Oh.
I see a rainbow rare. I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Buzzwall Rainbow Rare? Gonna replace my Rainbow Rare? What is it?
Just a hollow type.
You said you saw. You're an idiot.
Hey!
Devoured Field. What's a rainbow? Oh no, it's a hollow.
It's a rainbow. It's a hollow.
So we got what? 2 hollows.
Nothing.
An Ultra Necrozma. Alright.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.